Boeing, officially known as the Boeing Company, is a leading aerospace and defense corporation based in the United States. It is one of the largest global manufacturers of commercial jetliners and defense, space, and security systems. Below is a comprehensive overview of Boeing, which can be expanded into a detailed document covering various aspects of the company's history, operations, and impact. Founding and early years. Founding. Boeing was founded on July 15, 1916 by William E. Boeing in Seattle, Washington. Early products. Initially focused on seaplanes and military aircraft during World War I. Expansion and innovation, 1920s to 1940s. Commercial aviation. Introduced the Boeing Model 40, which was a significant step in airmail and passenger transport. World War II. Produced military aircraft such as the B-17 Flying Fortress and B-29 Super Fortress, playing a crucial role in the war effort. Post-war era and jet age, 1950s to 1960s. Jet aircraft. Launched the Boeing 707 in 1958, the first successful commercial jetliner revolutionizing air travel. Defense contracts. Expanded into missile and space technology with products like the Minuteman missile. Commercial aircraft dominance, 1970s to 1990s. 747 introduction. The Boeing 747, introduced in 1970, became the iconic jumbo jet and dominated long-haul flights. 737 series. The Boeing 737 series, first flown in 1967, became the best-selling commercial jetliner. Mergers and global expansion. 2000 as present. Merger with McDonnell Douglas. In 1997, Boeing merged with McDonnell Douglas, expanding its defense and space capabilities. 787 Dreamliner. Introduced in 2009, the 787 Dreamliner featured advanced materials and fuel efficiency. 737 MAX controversy. Faced significant challenges with the 737 MAX grounding in 2019 following 2 fatal crashes. Product portfolio. Commercial airplanes. Includes models like the 737, 747, 767, 777, and 787. Defense and space. Products range from fighter jets, F/A-18, F-15, to helicopters, Apache, Chinook, satellites, and space exploration systems. Global services. Offers support services, training, maintenance, and upgrades. Financial performance. Revenue. Consistently among the top aerospace companies by revenue. Stock performance. Listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker BA. Corporate governance and culture. Leadership. Governed by a board of directors and led by the CEO, current CEO is David Calhoun. Corporate culture. Emphasizes innovation, safety, and customer satisfaction. Challenges and controversies. 737 MAX crisis. Grounding and production halt due to safety concerns. Supply chain issues. Faced challenges in production and supply chain management. Environmental impact. Efforts to reduce carbon footprint and improve sustainability. Future prospects. New developments. Investments in new technologies like autonomous flight, space exploration, and sustainable aviation fuels. Market outlook. Expected growth in both commercial aviation and defense sectors. Boeing was founded in 1916 by William E. Boeing in Seattle, Washington. The company's first airplane, the Boeing Model 1, was a seaplane. During World War I, Boeing supplied the U.S. Navy with seaplanes, establishing its reputation as a reliable aircraft manufacturer. Expansion and innovation, 1920s to 1940s. In the 1920s and 1930s, Boeing expanded its product line to include commercial aircraft. The Boeing Model 40, designed for airmail service, was the first aircraft to generate significant revenue from passengers. During World War II, Boeing produced large numbers of military aircraft, including the B-17 Flying Fortress and B-29 Super Fortress, which were critical to the Allied war effort. Post-war era and jet age, 1950s to 1960s. The post-war era saw Boeing transition to jet aircraft. The Boeing 707, introduced in 1958, was the first successful commercial jetliner, setting new standards for speed and passenger comfort. Boeing also expanded into missile and space technology, contributing to the development of the Minuteman missile and participating in the Apollo program. Commercial aircraft dominance, 1970s to 1990s. The Boeing 747, introduced in 1970, revolutionized long-haul air travel with its large passenger capacity. The Boeing 737 series, first flown in 1967, became the best-selling commercial jetliner due to its versatility and efficiency. Boeing continued to innovate with the 767 and 777 models, enhancing its dominance in the commercial aviation market. Mergers and global expansion, 2000s present. The merger with McDonnell Douglas in 1997 expanded Boeing's capabilities in defense and space sectors. The introduction of the 787 Dreamliner in 2009 marked a significant advancement in materials and fuel efficiency. However, the grounding of the 737 MAX in 2019 after 2 fatal crashes presented significant challenges for the company. Product portfolio. Boeing's product portfolio includes a wide range of commercial airplanes such as the 737, 747, 767, 777, and 787. In the defense sector, Boeing produces fighter jets like the FA-18 and F-15, as well as helicopters like the Apache and Chinook. Boeing is also involved in space exploration, with projects like the Space Launch System, SLS, and partnerships with NASA. Financial performance. Boeing is consistently among the top aerospace companies by revenue, with significant contributions from both commercial and defense sectors. The company is listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker BA, and its financial performance is closely watched by investors and analysts. Corporate governance and culture. Boeing is governed by a board of directors and led by the CEO, currently David Calhoun. The company's corporate culture emphasizes innovation, safety, and customer satisfaction. Boeing invests heavily in research and development to maintain its competitive edge in the aerospace industry. Challenges and controversies. The 737 MAX crisis, stemming from 2 fatal crashes in 2018 and 2019, led to the grounding of the aircraft and significant financial and reputational damage. Boeing has also faced challenges in managing its supply chain and addressing environmental concerns. Efforts to improve safety, streamline production, and enhance sustainability are ongoing. Future prospects. Boeing is investing in new technologies, including autonomous flight, space exploration, and sustainable aviation fuels. The market outlook for both commercial aviation and defense sectors remains positive, with expected growth driven by rising air travel demand and increasing defense budgets globally. Expanding into a full document.